Hare Krishna, please take the opportunity. It's a wonderful opportunity to read Srimad Bhagavatam. You know, this was spoken by Shukdev Goswami, later by Suta Goswami. And this Bhagavatam talks about different avatars of the Lord. You must be knowing Matsya, Kurma, this is Varaha Avatara. And then it talks about the pastime, how Varaha killed Hiranyaksha, Narsimhadeva, how he killed Hiranyakashipu. It's a wonderful pastime done Lord Narsimhadev for his dear devotee Prahlad Maharaj. Also we have the pastime of Parashuram in this, and then there is the pastime of Rama, Lord Rama, how Mother Sita, Hanuman, Lord Rama. So Bhagavatam has all the pastimes of the Lord, different incarnations of the Lord, and it is a great pleasure at home, to read this, to discuss this, instead of discussing about politics. And at the end, Bhagavatam has 90 chapters on discussing on Bhagavatam. There is 1/3 of Bhagavatam dedicated to discussing Krishna's very sweet pastimes with Mother Yashoda, how he played like a small child, showed Vishwarupa to his mother, and mother used to sometimes chase him and used to do funny activities. And Krishna's wonderful pastime with his cowherd friends. He is eating with his friends, he is playing with his friends, taking care of the cows, to show different pastimes to Brahma. This is Brahma Vimohan Leela, and then Krishna's famous Ras Leela, and Krishna being worshipped by his wonderful devotees, and even Krishna saving Draupadi, and Krishna instructing Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna, and in the Mahabharata war later, Krishna even attacked Bhishma when he was about to kill Arjuna. And if you follow all this pastime, the advantages by hearing Krishna Leela, we go back to Krishna's lotus feet. So please take advantage of this Bhagavatam, and also you are welcome to visit our temple at Nantur. Hare Krishna.
तस्मादर्थश्च कामश्च धर्माश्च यद अपाशयः भजता अनीहया आत्मानम् अनीहं हरिमीश्वरम्. The four principal advanced spiritual life, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, all depend on the disposition of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, my dear friend, follow in the footsteps of the devotee without desire, fully depend on the disposition of Supreme Lord, worship Him, the Super Soul, in devotional service. So, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. All the four can be turned by Krishna conscious anger. Mostly, what does people think about dharma? Some rituals. Now शिवरात्रि आ गया, जागरण होगा रात को, ये फंक्शन हो गया, ये होगा. They only know about rituals. But dharma as defined in the Shastra is different. Bhagavatam says, dharma projita kaitavatra. There are kaitava dharma also. Chala dharma, upadharma, dharmabhas, paradharma, all four are wrong. What is recommended is paro dharma. Savai pumsa, paro dharma. But varieties of chala dharma people practice. And therefore, there is no result. Because if you follow paro dharma, the result is what? Savai pumsa paro dharma yata bhakti अधोक्ष जय. कुछ कोई भक्ति डेवलप नहीं होता. अहेतु की अप्रतिहता ये आत्म सुप्रसिद्धति. And it gives total satisfaction to the heart. Because they do not follow paro dharma, which is ahetuki pratihata, there is no atma suprasidati. Still they remain material. Still they remain material. So different ways of Prahlad Maharaj, what he is trying to do, and same thing Prabhupada try to do, trying to bring out pure devotion out. Because mostly in society, what we get is contaminated. And what is he trying to do? Bring out pure. He is not trying to, when you remove, just like we keep saying, the way to remove Sarvopadi vinirmuktam no. Anyabhilashita shunyam jnana karmadi anavritam. They keep removing the tendency for speculation and tendency for fruitive result. Then what you get is pure devotion. We have to remove this. So generally what we see is contamination. Just like yesterday studying in Bhagavad Gita. What is the need for Krishna to talk about Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga when he is going to promote Bhakti Yoga? Because these contamination do exist. Just like say, why talk about Sattva-guna, Rajoguna and Gita, this material, no? Talk only about Bhakti. Because we are not in that situation now, we are contaminated now, so we have to identify. It's like doctor, why did they take a temperature? Temperature shows sickness. But then you know how much sick you are. So therefore, same way, if I identify I am in Tamoguna, I know I am very sick. If I am Rajoguna, I am still sick. Sattva-guna, less sick. Still I am not healthy. Healthy is only Krishna conscious. Consciousness means Krishna consciousness. So unless we come to the platform of Krishna consciousness, we are sick. ठीक है ना? It's clear? जब तक Krishna consciousness नहीं है, तब तक हम बीमार हैं. ठीक है? So therefore, the real dharma means, which is sarvadharman parityaja. Mamekam sharanam raja. That is real dharma, to take shelter of Krishna. So that is what he is going to promote now. He is going to promote. This kind of dharma is really promoted in these pages of Bhagavatam. Savai Pumsa Paro Dharma. Prahlad Maharaj is not going to compromise. Acharyas are fearless. They don't compromise. They will strongly bring out pure devotion. They don't settle for anything less. Paro Dharma. They will only bring about Paro Dharma. Para Dharma means to do other dharma. Chala Dharma is just like Buddha did. There is no God. But then people are worshipping him as God. Chala Dharma, that is cheating. Cleverly bringing them to worship Krishna. Dharma bhas, it looks like dharma, but it is not dharma. Like impersonalists do puja. They also have arti for Krishna and all. But they have no devotion. Simply it's natak. So these all kind of contaminations are removed. So dharma we bring, we should come to platform of real dharma. So dharma, artha, kama, moksha can also be purified now, each another. As such, all four are material. The four purusharthas the society knows of are not the highest. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says highest is prema pumartha mahan. But the material dharma, artha, kama, moksha will not take you to prema. You have to purify each one of them. So the real dharma will be sarva dharman parityaja. Mamekam sharanam vraja. That is real dharma, to take shelter of Krishna. Then you are following real dharma. And if you are following so-called dharma but you do not come to shelter of Krishna, shamevi kevalam, waste of time. After following so-called dharma, you don't develop love for Krishna. Proper dharma means to know God and to love Him. Any dharma for that matter. To know God and to love Him. But if you are not developing love for God, you are not developing desire to know God, your dharma is waste of time. Shramevi kevalam. Because everything has to falena parichati. You test by result. I was following this dharma. Whatever dharma you are following for 500 years, okay, fine. How much love you develop for God? How much knowledge you have of God? What are you doing? Simply rituals. Correct? Have you developed eagerness? Just like there were those Yagnik Brahmanas. So the Yagnik Brahmanas were also doing so-called dharma. You know Krishna book, famous story. Everybody knows. A famous story Yagnik Brahmanas का. बहुत पूजा कर रहे थे. अब कृष्णा बोला कुछ नहीं दिए. क्या फायदा हुआ उनका धर्म करके? हैं? जैसे हम कृष्णा का आरती कर रहे हैं, पता चला कोई कृष्णा है डोर में. हैं? कृष्णा है डोर है बाबा. आगे वही जिनके पूजा कर रहे हो. उसका मतलब नहीं आपको क्या कर रहे हैं आप फिर? आप खाली उपचार कर रहे थे. है ना? समझ रहे हैं ना? तो एक्चुअली हर चीज़ दिल से होना चाहिए. बट ट्रू, ये साधना भक्ति का स्टेज है, गुरु का आदेश में हम लोग कर रहे हैं. बट अपना स्थिति मालूम होना चाहिए. जैसे एक बारी प्रभुपाद जी मंदिर में आए तो डिवोटी को पूछा, कृष्ण जी खुश है ना? हैं? अरे पुजारी को पूछा कृष्ण जी खुश हैं क्या और उसको मालूम नहीं, तो कर क्या रहा है वो? है ना? क्या लक्ष्य है? अब भगवान का भोग लगा रहे, भगवान का आरती करते हैं, लक्ष्य क्या है? कृष्ण जी खुश होना चाहिए. और कोई लक्ष्य है क्या? और कोई लक्ष्य है? लेकिन वो भूल जाते हैं. वो भूल जाते हैं. हो गया अर्चना. अरे उसको खाना नहीं चाहिए आपका, उसके बाद बहुत खाना है. लक्ष्मी सहस्र. आपसे प्रेम से बोलते हैं भगवान कुछ सेवा का अवसर दीजिए, करेक्ट। जब आपके घर में गेस्ट आता है पहले बताओ क्या पूछते हो उसको हर दिन, आप खुश है नहीं है, कंफर्टेबल है नहीं, पूछते नहीं गेस्ट को। घर में गेस्ट है क्या पूछते हो, सब कुछ कंफर्टेबल, चना किधर है, आप खुश है, पूछते भगवान को पूछते हो कभी? तो एक्चुअली क्या है, भक्ति कोई बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ नहीं है, बहुत ऑब्वियस चीज़ है, बट हमको ऑब्वियस चीज़ दिखती नहीं है। इट्स वेरी वेरी ऑब्वियस। वी शुड आस्क कृष्णा, कृष्णा आई चैंटेड सम होली और होली नेम्स, आर यू प्लीज्ड? करेक्ट। गुरु कृष्णा सेम प्लेटफॉर्म, यस्य देवे पराभक्ति यथा देवे तथा गुरौ तस्यैव कथा यर्था प्रकाशन्त महात्मना ऑलवेज is my Guru Maharaj. Please, I told you the famous line, somebody asked Prabhupada, आपके गुरु तो आपसे बहुत खुश होंगे बिकॉज आपने इतना विश्व भर में प्रचार किया है, your Guru must be very pleased with you. Prabhupada said, if he is not pleased, what I am worth? See, that is the meditation. If Krishna is not pleased, you are useless. Your existence is useless. You are just above the jata, born for useless, meaningless existence. Correct? सब लोग अपना इंद्रिय खुश करने में भाग रहे, ये कर्मी ज्ञानी योगी सब अपनी इंद्रिय खुश करना चाहते हैं। कर्मी को इंद्रिय भोग की वस्तु चाहिए, ज्ञानी को कुछ मेरे को ये समझ आ गया वो समझ आ गया चाहिए, और बाद में ब्रह्मन जाने का। करेक्ट? दुनिया से मोक्ष लगे, इतना समझ आ गया दुनिया में खुशी नहीं है, उसको ज्ञानी बोलते हैं। ऐसे वैसे ज्ञानी नहीं, इतना समझ आ गया आपको दुनिया में खुशी नहीं है, आप ज्ञानी हो, लेकिन तब तक ये समझ नहीं आए आप ज्ञानी भी नहीं बने। कर्मी मतलब इंद्रिय भोग की तरह भाग रहा है, कुत्ते बिल्ली की तरह। ज्ञानी को इतना समझ आता है दुनिया में इंद्रिय भोग में सुख नहीं है, ज्ञानी। ठीक है? योगी को कुछ पावर चाहिए, अभी को सटल पावर्स, वो इसको घुमाने का, किसको मंत्रण करने का। सब इंद्रिय भोगी है, सब इंद्रिय भोगी हैं। करेक्ट? ऑल आर थिंकिंग अबाउट देमसेल्व्स, दे आर नॉट प्रॉपर, दे फॉर ऑल लस्टी, ऑल आर कामीस। भुक्ति मुक्ति सिद्धि कामी, all three want something. But Krishna Bhakta निष्कामा। निष्काम मतलब कैसे होता है, उसको भी कहा कैसे भगवान खुश हैं क्या? So that we should see every day when you sleep, Krishna, I did some service, so many offenses happened, please pardon me. Correct? Please train me so that I become an instrument for your pleasure. And then when you accept this platform, that my existence is only for the pleasure of Krishna. Prabhupada says in Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter, Jiva has no independent existence. Very interesting line. Jiva has no independent existence. आपका अस्तित्व ही नहीं है भगवान के बिना. So our only existence is that we exist for the pleasure of Krishna. When we refuse that, we come for rehabilitation, reformation under Maya. But our existence, healthy existence, is only existing for the pleasure of Krishna, always alert and enthusiastic to work for the pleasure of Krishna. So that is real dharma. Rest is just cheating dharma. Correct? Who is following that dharma? Simply not even focus whether Krishna is pleased. And that is real dharma, because this kind of dharma, you don't want anything in service to Krishna, because ahetuki, when dharma is offered without any cause, अपरतिहता, when there is no break, which is constantly done. ये नहीं कि सुबह भगवान 2 मिनट अगरबत्ती आप खुश हो जाओ, उसके बाद पूरा दिन इंद्रिय भोग में लग गए, फिर शाम को भगवान याद आए, ऐसा नहीं। That's not good. Even for ब्रह्मचारी साधना होगी, चलो अब थोड़ा इंद्रिय भोग करते, नहीं, वो अग्नि जला के उसमें 2 बाल्टी पानी डाल दे, कुछ फायदा नहीं। ठीक है? So dharma means actually that should lead to satisfaction of Krishna. And धर्म सनुष्ठता पुंसा विक्षक्षेन कथा सुयाना उत्पादितीम श्रमे विकेवल. The dharma should develop your rati, taste for hearing about Krishna, transcendental taste. And then varnashram का भी 2 definition में है, samsiddhi haritoshanam. The varnashram, what is the shloka? Purushena parapuman Vishnu aradate pumsam na yat. There is no other objective. Vishnu aradate. The Vishnu should be worshipped. That is the goal of Varnashram. Another shlok says Varnashram means samsiddhi haritoshanam. About satisfy. Haritoshanam. Hari should be satisfied. So my dharma also can be referred to occupational duties, but by the discharge of occupational duties, Vishnu should be satisfied. That is dharma. Okay? Artha means now I am working for economic development, but then Prabhupada says here, this also can be purified, because artha will also become sense gratification. And it is sense gratification. How it can be purified? Karmane vatikara. That is purification. The most famous shloka of Gita and most misunderstood shloka of Bhagavad Gita. Karmane vatikarate. You have a right. Adhikara. For what? You have a adhikara for what? Karmani. To do your duty. Everybody is asking rights. Yeah, you have a right. Do your duty. It's like you go to college. Go to principal. A student goes to principal in college. Sir, what is my right in this college? You have a right to attend your class. Go, get up. You have a right to attend the class. Karmani e adhikaraha te. You have a right to do your duty. Ma phaleshu kadachana. You do not have any hold on the fruit. Therefore, even in this plan of spreading Krishna consciousness, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted that every person should become Krishna conscious. We just play a part. Whatever small part we are doing. Overall grand result is not in our control. How is it going to move? You do your duty. Small part. Just like a screw doing his work. But that is making the whole machine move. But I cannot understand. Somebody says, hey, do this. That's like in a factory. You put this here, but he doesn't know how the car is coming because of that. It's assembly line. Everybody is putting his part. So similarly, what Guru has given an order, you just do it. Don't worry. Overall, it will take to Prichviti Yatvacha Nagaradi Gram Sarata Pacharave Moranam. It will come. We don't even know. What Prabhupada did was unbelievable. 1970, nobody could believe this can happen. When Prabhupada went to America, he wrote to his godbrothers that somehow my Guru Maharaj wanted us to preach, and I have landed in America, I am here, but I need some help. So his godbrothers, one person wrote to him, your plan is ridiculous. Is it ridiculous? With the order of the Guru Maharaj, you are telling it is ridiculous? He got a letter, ridiculous. They didn't help him, rather joke, this is ridiculous. What? Kya say hai? Chala gaya. Ridiculous. So people could not believe it was going to happen. And today already Hare Krishna is a household name. Everybody knows all over the world. Hare Krishna people, Hare Krishna. And this is just the beginning. From 0 you have come to this stage. Or from 1 you have become 1 million. ठीक है? Another 50 years become 1 billion. हो गया ना? पकड़ लिया? Then another 50 years whole earth is chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. People do not understand. All the big movements in the beginning takes time. Beginning always takes time. All the movements on earth, all the religions, everybody, not in one day they spread. You take Buddhism or any religion, took its time, because it takes time to spread. But those who are intelligent can see it is exploding now. Because you cannot convince any member of Hare Krishna against what he has understood. You cannot convince. We are fully convinced. Nobody can convince us. Now that faith we are giving to next person. No philosophy on earth is able to come near it. So it's a matter of time. It will take over the whole world. What Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted. Every individual will be taking shelter of Krishna. So therefore, artha, dharma, artha. So we came to artha. Karmanev adhikara. So we do our duty. So definitely as we do your duty, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prediction will be fulfilled. Ma phaleshu kadachana. We don't have right on that. We are thinking about Krishna. We are not selfish like karmis, jnanis and yogis. The phala. So you planted a tree, so thousands of fruits come. So you say, I will enjoy the fruits. Krishna says, no, give it to me. Why should I give it to you? I worked very hard. So what is the third line? Ma karma phala hetu bhu. You are not the cause of the fruit. And we know that's reasonable. Why we are not cause of the fruit? Did you design the seed? Did you design the land? Did you design the sky, the rain, the water, the sun, the nutrients, air? You didn't do anything. You just took a seed designed by God and put in the ground. That's it. And I did it. You did nothing. Not even 1%. 0.000000001%. Correct? Your contribution is nothing. You did something very simple. Just put one glass of water over it. You go design one seed. Let us see. You will see what is the comparison. putting one bucket of water and designing one seed. Let us see which is more difficult. Putting bucket of water is nothing. Designing a seed, even today scientists are not able to design one single grain of rice. Talk about big things. True? So who is doing? Designing sun? It's easy. Banao thoda, ek lagao. We say nuclear fission is happening, बनाओ ना एक फिर. इतना कुछ बड़ा चीज़ बोलते हैं, बनाओ भाई एक सन लगा दो ऊपर. रात को इतने बल्ब लगाने पड़ते हैं हमको, जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, है ना. बोलना आसान है, करो ना. तो आप देखो जो भगवान ने किया तो बहुत मुश्किल है. आप क्या, पानी आपने वो भी आपने नहीं बनाया, पानी वो भी उठा के एक बकेट उधर डाल दिया. हमारा कंट्रीब्यूशन इतना, भगवान का कंट्रीब्यूशन वी कैन नॉट इवन कंपेयर. करेक्ट? Then how can you say fruit is yours? So Krishna says, Ma karma phala hetu, you're not the cause of the fruit. फ्रूट नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं नहीं काम करूँगा. आजकल ऐसे ही लोग होता है, मेरे को कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं तो मैं काम नहीं करना. तो अकर्मणि माँ बाबा कर्मण्येवाधिकार से माँ फलेषु कदाचन माँ कर्म फल हेतु भू माते संगवस्तु अकर्मणि. नो यू कैन नॉट बिकम अकर्मणि. मेरे को फ्रूट नहीं मिलेगा, काम नहीं करो. दैट इज अर्था. यू वर्क but fruit is not yours. Just like we are working in the moment, fruit is not ours, fruit belongs to Krishna. Correct? Somebody comes to the temple, I give you this much donation, we put in the hundi. Oh, I don't want anything. All the fruit is given to Krishna. Karmane vadikarate ma phaleshu kadachana ma. So this is actually real artha. In life we get into various perplexities many times and we don't know how to take a decision. Similarly, Arjuna, we know, in the battlefield was in a great perplexing situation in his course of his duty as a warrior, because his own family people were standing against him, including his teacher and his grandfather. But fortunately, he took shelter of Krishna, who guided him, and the message of Bhagavad Gita therefore came out. The first thing Krishna teaches to Arjuna is that we should not be affected by any condition of the body, either living or dead, because we are not the body, we are spirit, soul, part and parcel of Krishna. And Krishna explains this to various arguments. And then Krishna talks about how we can control our mind and senses. And we have to be so careful. If we are careless, the consciousness becomes degraded. Different steps how the consciousness degrades are discussed in Bhagavad Gita. And how in a degraded consciousness person considers, thinks even his sinful life to be a great pleasure. And finally, he ends up even going to a wrong destination after death. Our even worship depends on what kind of consciousness we have cultivated. So to come out of all this, people practice yoga, jnana, ashtanga and bhakti. And among them, Gita concludes that bhakti yoga is the highest yoga, which makes us reach Krishna's lotus feet in Vaikuntha. And in Kali Yuga, the best way to practice Bhakti Yoga is chanting the holy names of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And various examples are given in the Bhagavad Gita, how we should be determined in this. In any course of any activities we are doing, we can reach the Lord's lotus feet. We have to keep in mind 4 tendencies to help us not to reach the Lord, and 4 tendencies help us reach the lotus feet of the Lord. Krishna also talks about Chaturvarna in Bhagavad Gita as different occupations which are not based on birth can finally make us reach Krishna. Message of Bhagavad Gita as it comes from Krishna to sun god Vivaswan, to his son Manu, then to Ikshvaku is discussed in Gita. How the Paramatma is there in everybody's heart, witnessing our activities. How this middle world is the inverted form of the spiritual world. And Krishna also reveals in Bhagavad Gita, we all know Vishwarupa. And in the Vishwarupa, Arjuna could see practically all the universe, all the powers of the universe, all incarnations are within Krishna. And this information helps us to surrender to the Lord, because when you know God is great, we take his shelter. And Krishna also talks about the principle that he comes in various incarnations. And after that, Arjuna, hearing all these things, decides to surrender to Krishna. And that is how the Bhagavad Gita comes. It has been published in Kannada, in Karnataka, and it is a very popular book. We also have it in all the various languages all around the world. Please do visit our center at ISKCON at Nantur. Hare Krishna.